Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to export all suspended users in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. The management of user accounts in Google Workspace is a crucial aspect of maintaining a well-organized and secure digital environment. However, there may be instances where certain user accounts become suspended for various reasons, such as security concerns or inactive usage. In such cases, it becomes necessary for administrators to efficiently handle and export all suspended users in Google Workspace. The xFanatical Foresight Automation tool simplifies the process of exporting all suspended users by providing an efficient and seamless approach. How to export all suspended users in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger action from the Select a Trigger screen. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Users action. First, you need to grant Foresight permission if you see Sign in with Google or Access expired. Add user email, first name, last name, and his suspended columns in the Columns field, and in the User Suspended field, select True. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the Upload Data to Drive action. Then, select the user's CSV download link in the CSV file URL field. Also, select the Google Drive folder path in the Google Drive folder field. Your CSV file will be exported here. Click Add Next Action. Step 4. On the Select an Action screen, click the Email action. Add email ID in the To field and create a subject line for the email. Create an email body. Click the Add Variable button to add the user's CSV download link. Step 5. Click Review. Give a rule name and click Create, verifying the result. From the Logs page, you will see that the rule has been executed successfully. Download the CSV from the Here link. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xFanatical.com.